Okay, now it's time to talk about the DOS attacks, denial of service. Now, Nmap, thanks to the NSE, the Nmap scripting engine, we can use this tool as DOS tool. By the way, don't use that to harm others. Use it to help your companies, organization, whatever, in a good ways, okay? And to harden your system, okay? So it will be used like that, Nmap, and we will use it on this port, or this IP, I mean, this host, okay? We will use -pn, we will use -- script, and we will use the DOS, the slow loris attack, and this is very common type of DOS attacks, and it's very powerful, by the way, because you cannot distinguish between the real attacks and the real users, because after all, it is HTTP request, right? So slow loris and -- script args, because we want to put arguments, and we will put the HTTP - slow loris dot run forever equal true. By the way, this will be very exhaustion for our machine, so we have to put something before it, which is the max parallelism. So -max parallelism, so it will be like that, and press enter. And by the way, this will keep running until exhausting the machine we are hosting, which is the metasploitable machine. So after a long time, you will notice that the HTTP server there, when you go to your browser and put this IP, you will notice that it will become slower and slower, which means that the attack worked. So if you press enter, you will see that 2% is done.